In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from Slack. Whether you're archiving important conversations or just want a backup of crucial information, exporting Slack data can be a valuable skill to have in your toolkit. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to head over to Slack. This part might seem intuitive, but it's always good to start at the beginning. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, as various teams or workspaces may be associated with different login details. Once you're in Slack, you need to focus on the workspace from which you want to export data. If you're part of multiple workspaces, it's crucial to ensure you're managing the right one, as each workspace houses its own unique set of conversations and files. Now, with your workspace open, look for the down arrow next to the workspace name at the top left corner of your Slack interface. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu. From there, you want to select Tools and Settings. This might be labeled differently depending on updates or the version you're using, but typically, it's found in this section. Having done that, you're now ready to proceed to the next phase, which is accessing the workspace settings. This area is essentially the control center for managing what you want to do with workspace data. Navigate through the Settings menu until you find the Workspace Settings option and click on it. Once you're in Workspace Settings, you'll see a section labeled Settings and Permissions. This section is critical because it's where you'll find the options related to data management and exportation. Click on it to continue. Now for the main task, exporting the data. Within the Settings and Permissions, there should be a dedicated Export button. Clicking this will allow you to specify the date range for your data export. This step is helpful if you only want to export data from a specific time period rather than the entire history. After selecting the desired date range, initiate the export process by clicking on Start Export. Once you've clicked Start Export, the process may take some time depending on how much data there is to export. Be patient, and soon you'll have your Slack data neatly compiled and ready for download. Remember to check any email notifications or in-app messages for the export completion confirmation. And that's it. You've successfully exported data from Slack. This process is simple yet powerful, giving you control over your communications and data within your team's workspace. Don't forget to securely store your exported data, especially if it contains sensitive information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to ask in the comments below. Happy exporting!